Hi game devs, here's the next part on how to set up the Paragon Crunch character with Unreal Engine. Today we will add an attack animation, you can see this here, that is played when the user presses the left mouse button. Okay, so let's select the animation for the attack. I choose this one here called Ability Combo 1. Let's open this and this is what you saw in the intro. I want to play this animation on left mouse button press, so I will open the project settings and the input section and add an action mapping called attack for the left mouse button. After that, I create a new animation montage for the animation that I want to play. With an animation montage you can combine several animations, play separate sections and include them in your animation blueprints. What's also very useful is to define the blend time for blending the animations of the montage in and out. For this one I set the blend out time to a higher value so that we get a nice transition with the current animation in the blueprint after the attack animation is played. The slot I keep to default slot. We will have to add this to our animation blueprint later on. I will go more into detail about animation montages in the next video. In this one I will just show you how to add it and integrate it into your animation blueprint. Okay, the next step is to play the animation montage when the attack action is executed, so open the third person character blueprint and add the input action attack. When this is pressed, we play the montage that you can select here in the montage to play, and we also have to set the mesh to the skeletal mesh component input. And now you assume that it already works, but sorry, it doesn't, because there's one important thing that you have to do. We have to add the slot of the montage to the animation blueprint we created for the character. So let's open this and right after the state machine add the default slot that we use in the animation montage. Now the montage is connected to the animation blueprint and will be played when the attack event is fired. So let's start the game, press the left mouse button and here we go. Great, now we can walk, jump, attack, and in the next part we will add more features like hitting an enemy, taking damage and many more. I hope you find this interesting and useful, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and to help it grow think about supporting me on my Patreon, this would really help a lot. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.